How to resize any image on Canva. What is up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily resize your images on Canva. But before we begin, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you're going to have to do is open up your web browser and simply search for canva.com and then open up any project that you want. Now you could add any picture here, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on elements, scroll down a bit to find my photos, and then simply drag and drop it on here. Now to resize your image, you will find different dots on the corners and these lines here that allows you to stretch or even crop the image like this. So you can just go ahead and drag this corner on any side to resize it according to your need, and it will show you the width and height pixels as well. This is the first method, and if you want to set this as your background and cover the whole picture, in that case you can just click on set image as background. But as you can see, the corners are no longer visible and you cannot resize it anymore once you set this as background. So if you want to bring it back, detach it from background, just click on detach image from background and you'll be good to go. Canva also allows a special resize feature that allows you to enter width and height of your image by clicking right here. So from here, you could just go ahead and click on any of these options to resize your image. But this is strictly a Canva Pro feature, so you'll need the premium subscription for this. As you can see, if I just go ahead and open Canva here, on my other tab, you have an option to create a custom size. Now click on it and you can enter the width and height of your unit. So let's say 400 by 400 pixels. You click on create a new design. And once you do that, your 400 by 400 canvas will be created. Now you can go ahead and click on photos from here. So click on elements. And I'm just going to go ahead and click on photos and add a random photo here. So let's add the previous one here. Now what I'm going to do is stretch it out like this and like this, and it will allow me to fill in the background. So that's how you do it. If you found the tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.